Hello, my friends. Welcome back to the English Podcast Show. I understand English, but I can't speak. So you understand English, right? When it comes to watching movies, videos, web series, you understand every bit of it. But when it's your time to speak in English, it's complete silence. It feels that your brain knows the language, but your mouth refuses to cooperate. Why does this happen? Well, today's video is all about that. Would you believe me if I say that language is not about right grammar, right vocabulary, pronunciation? It's exactly by expression. And most of you fail because of imbalanced practice. In this video, I'm going to share it with you 3 simple, effective, and proven techniques by which you can improve your English and speak better in less than 30 days. Relax. It's not a clickbait. It's actually a video that you all need to hear for a shift in your mindset. Let's understand the root cause. Why is this happening? You're able to understand literally everything. Then why is it that you're not able to express yourself? Imagine you're walking on a tightrope. I'm sure in circus you have seen people walk on a tightrope. Imagine you are walking on that tightrope. One of your hand holds 50 kilograms weight, and the other hand holds 10 kilograms weight. What would happen? Of course, the 50 kilograms weight would definitely is heavier, would go down, and the one would go up. This is called imbalance. That's exactly what's stopping you to become fluent. Imbalanced practice. This 50% weight is the input. Videos you watch videos on in movies, web series, everything in English, that's all input. Reading, listening, input. Output, on the other hand, is speaking and writing. Are we doing that? No. You're spending most of your time in one hand, which is input, but output is 0, and that is a root cause. Thank you for listening to the English Podcast Show. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe.